You have learned all the vocabulary from lesson 21 and now you can answer my questions. What's your favorite sweet treat to enjoy during a movie? Have you ever attended a council meeting in your community? Do you take good care of your plants at home? Have you ever seen a shop window display that caught your attention? Have you been to a local event recently that you really liked? Where's the best seat you've ever had at a concert or show? Have you ever taken a steamboat ride along a river or lake? How do you usually try to solve a difficult puzzle or problem? Are you excited about watching the finals of your favorite sports event? Do you ever doubt your abilities before starting something new? And now create your own sentences from following words. Join, item, lady, climb, unusual. And now I will read a dictation to you, so please write it down and then read it out loud. In the summer, my daughter's appetite seems always ready for a mealtime event. There's no doubt she's a lively young lady. She's constantly eager to try new dishes, making each meal an adventure. Her love for food during this season is infectious. As her parent, I'm amazed by her. Summer brings out her joy for exploring flavors. We are happy to share the excitement with her. It's a delightful time for all of us. Thank you. Bye bye.